problems based on HCF of the functions. So let me take let me write one question here. Find the HCF of the functions ten x to the power 4 minus 7x cube plus x square. This is one, and another one is 4x power 4 4x to the power 4 minus 2x cube minus 2x plus 1. Yeah. So I'll explain this problem, how to find out the highest common factor of this both the functions. First of all, whenever the question is given, we need to check is any common possibilities or not. So if you notice the first expression, I can take x square is the common. Okay, 10x power 4 minus 7x cube plus x square. From this I can take x square common. Next expression there is no any common, just that's why you can take second expression there is no x square common. So that's why you can leave that. Only first expression take x square common. Then 10x square minus 7x plus 1 it is. Okay, x square is the common. So once is the common, now we should take only this one. X square you won't consider because highest common factor. So there is no common at all in this second expression. So x square will neglect. Now 10x square minus 7x plus 1. This one, and another one is 4x to the power 4 minus 2x cube minus 2x plus 1. Now these are the required functions. For this only we should find out the HCF. Okay, that is the first method. If any common you can take. Same x square is not possible for second, so you can neglect this. If for second expression also, if there is x square common, then x square is also one of the HCF you can consider. Otherwise only these two. Now these are the main two functions now. For this I should find out the HCF. First step, we need to make the coefficient must be same. So x square first term coefficient should be equal. X square coefficient is 10 and x power 4 coefficient is 4. So this is already in order. First term 10 and 4. So for 10 comma 4, if you took LCM, 5 is 2 is right? 5 2 is 10, 10 2 is so 20 LCM will come. That means I should make 20 as the coefficient for the first terms. So for that, this is already 10. So I should multiply with 2. So entire first equation multiply with 2. So this entire I am going to multiply with 2, and this entire I am going to multiply with 4 5s with 5. You must know why I am doing this. Then this is 20x square minus 2 7s 14x plus 2. This is 1, and 5 4s 20x to the power 4 minus 5 2s 10x cube, 5 2s 10x plus 5. These are the both. Now we go for the division concept. Let's take this both. That means 20x square minus 14x plus 2. Let me divide this for this 20x power 4 minus 10x cube minus 10x plus 5. So you learn already division methods. Now is the 20x square into dash 20x power 4. So x square. Right, we'll take this x square and multiply this entire dividend. This is the dividend, entire divisor should multiply. So x square into 20. This is 20x power 4. X square into minus 14x. So minus 14x cube. X square into 2 is plus 2x square. Then do subtraction. After subtracting, you should change the sign, right? So it becomes minus, plus, and this minus. So you get cancel this. Then minus 10 plus 14. Okay, this is a 4x cube. And this minus 2x square minus 10x plus 5. Now also we should make again. Now this is a 20, but this is only 4. So multiply the remainder by 5 and divide by the divisor. So you should multiply with 5 again. So separately we should take. Now this one you should multiply with 5. Because it's a 20, don't do normal divisions. So it's the first step. It's a 20, right? Same 20 I need. To make this as 4 become 20, I should multiply with 5. Then just multiply this remainder by 5. Then same 20x square minus 14x plus 2. Normal again common previous division only. Until you get the remainder 0, until you get the last step, you should do as it is. So multiply with 5. 5 4s are 20x cube minus 5 2s are 10x square minus 10 into 5. So minus 50x plus 25. Now again same 20x square into dash is 20x cube only x. Take this x and multiply this entire. X into 20x square is 20x cube. It's a minus 14x square. X into 2 is plus 2x. Do subtraction and do the repeated same step. So it's minus plus, this becomes minus. Change the sign, is cancelled. Then 10 minus 10 plus 14. Okay, that is 4x square minus 50 minus 2 minus 52x plus 25. If there is any common, we can take. Now again, here is a 20 is only 4. So what we should do? Just again multiply this remainder. To make it as 20, I should remainder by again with 5. Do the same process. That is again, that is a 20x square minus 14x plus 2. With this 5 should multiply this remainder again. Okay, 5 into 4. So 20x square, same 5 into minus 52. So 52 into 5, that is minus 260. X 25 5 is a 125. Do again 20x square into dash means 1 it is, because 1 into 20x square is a 20x square. 1 into that minus 14x, 1 into 2 is 2. Do subtraction and do the same step. Minus plus this minus, change the sign denominator places. Okay, sorry, this down places. And minus 260 minus 14. Minus 260 plus 14, no? So minus 246 x. This plus 123. So once you get this, we can take maximum common. If it's any possible, you can take common. So from this 123 2s are 246. So I am taking minus 123 common. Then this becomes 2x. This is minus 1. So once you take the common, you can neglect that. Now finally I got 2x minus 1. To check, now this is a HCF. What we get finally. To test with that, take this 2x minus 1. 2x minus 1. Divide this 20x square minus 14x plus 2. Starting onwards, you are writing this dividend, this divisor. You can divide. Normal division method you can do. 2x into 20x square. 2x into dash is 20x square. That is 10x. 10x into 2x is 20x square. 10 into minus 1. So minus 10x. You change the sign and subtract. Minus 14 plus 10. So minus 4x and plus 2. Again 2x into minus 2. Minus 4x plus 2. So you got the 0. So once you get the 0, this 2x minus 1 is HCF. So hence the HCF is 2x minus 1. For verification, you can do division. Okay, this is the process. Divisions we are doing separately, one by one. First of all, any common part you can take and take the division step by step. Okay, this is the problem. Another problem I explained based on the HCF of the function. Let us see some problem on LCM and LCM of the functions also next.